Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well and ready for today's session, isn't it? So, before we start today's session, let me discuss some important points regarding the Google Classroom. Okay, so dear students, maximum of you have joined the Google Classroom with your own name, and it's really good. Okay, and dear students, those who have not joined using your own name and you have joined by using your parents account, please, it's my request, create a new account with your own name and rejoin the Google Classroom, because it's very difficult to remember the parents name. Okay, because in my side, whenever I open the Google Classroom and whenever I will check your assignments, if you send with your own Google account, okay, if you have created your Google account and if you have joined the Google Classroom with your own Google account, it's become very easy for me to track who have submitted the homework. Otherwise, if you have joined by using your parents account, it's really difficult because I do not know your parents name. Okay, so it's my request, please create a Google account with your own name and rejoin the Google Classroom. And while submitting the assignment, please follow the procedure as shown in the last class video. Okay, I have already sent you a video in which I have explained how you have to attach your assignment whenever I have given you any homework or classwork. All right, so let's start the session. Okay, now before we start the session, let's do a quick recap of what we have done in the last class. I have learned how to insert a table, isn't it? So what is the method to insert a table? Let me show you one more time. All right, we'll go to insert tab, then we'll click on tables, and we can click on insert table, and the insert table dialog box appears. Just choose the number of columns and number of rows and press OK button. Alright, now let us see how to create a table which consists of 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay, how many columns should be there? 3. So we'll reduce the number of columns to 3, and we need number of rows to be how many? 4. Okay, so we will increase it. After that, we'll just press on the OK button. Alright, now you can see that a table appears on the screen. Okay, a table appears which consists of 3 columns and 4 rows. Alright, now dear children, today we are going to learn few table tools and how to format a table style. Alright, so let's see how to do it. Now, once you have created a table, alright, next step is how to enter data in a table. For that, you just place the mouse pointer in the first cell of the table and type heading. Alright, just type the heading. Suppose I give the heading as name. Alright, I have typed the heading to be name. Then say the next heading is class. Now how to move from one cell to another? Just you have to press the tab key. Alright, your mouse pointer or the cursor will move to the next cell. Alright, next say I give the column heading as section. Done. Now suppose you want to go to the next row. You just give a click on the next row. Next row, first cell. Then you can type. Say I give the name of a particular student. Say Raj. Class 5. Section C. How I am moving from one cell to another? By pressing the tab key. Alright, so I hope all of you are clear how to insert data in a table or how to enter data in a table, isn't it? So now let us learn some table tools. Okay, so dear children, as you can see at the top just under the menu bar, there are table styles, or you can say tables tools. This particular table tools appears under the tab design. Alright, under the tab design. So suppose you are in the home tab. Okay, then you want to design this table. You want to make it colorful, or you want to change the color of the table, etc. Different formats. What you will do, you just go to the design tab. Okay, and you will find all the table tools which will appear here. Alright, now how to style a table. Okay, so just listen to me very carefully. When you insert the table, PowerPoint automatically applies a table style to the table, and we can view various styles in the table style group on the design tab under the table tools tab. Okay, different table styles groups are there. Alright, now to apply a table style, first you have to select the table. Okay, just give a click, okay, on the table, and your table will get selected. After that, you can click on the design tab to access all the table styles and other option in this tab. Alright, now hover the cursor over the table of any table style and to see the live preview. Okay, now just hover it. Let me take the mouse pointer, hover on the last one. See, as soon as I have moved to the last table style, the color of the table is getting changed or not. I have not selected. I have just moved my mouse pointer, hover over the table styles. Okay, now what happens? It allows you to see its live preview on the slide to the existing table. Alright, now these are some predefined one. If you want more style, you just click on the down arrow and you will find a number of them. Just move your mouse pointer on any one of the styles. You can see as I'm just moving the mouse pointer, the table style is getting changed. Isn't it? See how I am doing? Just I am moving the mouse pointer. Okay, and I have selected one. So you can see that our existing table color changed, isn't it? Now the next one. Suppose you want to change table shading. Okay, you want to change the table shading. How to do it? Go to the design tab. Alright. Now select the rows or columns that you want to modify. Say I want to modify the second row and all the three columns. So I will just select it. Then I'll click on shading. See at the top, this is the shading. Shading does what? It colors the background behind the selected text or paragraph. Okay. So let me select yellow color. See, third row has changed to yellow color. Okay. Now the next type of table style, that means the next type of formatting. Okay, to apply a border. Okay, to apply a border. Now if you want to give border to your table, all right, you just select, then click on border option, then select any one of this according to your convenience. For example, let's say I want the second one to appear, means all the borders should appear. So just give a click. See, before the table was not having any borders, isn't it? Now see, all the cells are having individual borders. Okay, have you seen the difference? Let me select another type of border so that it will be more clearer to you. Say I will remove all the borders, no border. Okay, for that first you have to select the table. Okay, select the table, go to borders and click on no border. See, the borders disappear. Alright, so I hope all of you are clear. Now let me apply the borders again. So first I'll select the table, I'll go to border option, then I'll select all borders. Done. Alright, now you have applied the border, but the children, suppose you want to color the border. How you can do it? It's very simple. Just select the border. Alright, then there is a pen color. Can you see here? Draw borders. Under the draw borders group, there is a pen color. You just click on that and select the color of the pen, say red. Then just color the border.
click and drag. Done. See, cell of the name is having now red color border. Is it visible to all of you? I hope so. Let me increase the pen size. Okay. Let me choose that as 6 point. Let me choose the red color and let me apply over here. See, the size of the pen point has changed to 6, isn't it? Again, if I will click and drag, see what I'm doing. I'm just giving a click and I'm pulling it down. Nothing else. Alright, I hope all of you are clear how to give color to your border by using the pen color tool. Alright, now dear children, please remember that the pen color tool is used to change the cell or rows or column borders color. Alright, all of you are clear? I hope so. All of you are clear. Now,
The next topic is
border style. This tool is very helpful in changing the line style of a table. Alright, now for that you have to do what? First step is what? You have to click on the table. Okay, click on the table, then go to the draw borders group and just select the pen style. Okay, just select the pen style. Say I select this dotted one. Okay, I have selected the dotted one. Then I'll just click and drag. See, the cell border of section has changed to dotted border. Alright, I hope all of you are clear, isn't it? Alright, so dear children, till now we have learned different tools related to a table. Okay, and from where you will get the tools? You have to go to design tab and you will find the table styles, borders, shading, pen color to color the borders, then pen style just to change the style of the line used to draw the borders. Alright, so I hope all of you are clear how to format a table and what are the different tools which we can use in order to format an existing table. Alright, okay. Now, dear children, let us move on to the next topic, that is aligning text. Alright.
Dear children, what do you understand by alignment? Alignment refers to the positioning of text in a table, cell, or row or column. By default, the text is aligned to the top of the cell. Now, dear children, we will find that there are 6 alignment buttons on the layout tab, which are align text left, center, align text right, align top, center vertically, and align bottom. Alright.
Let us see, dear children, how to apply aligning text. Now, dear children, select the cell or row or column whose text alignment you wish to change. Alright, for example, I'll select the first row. Alright, and then I'll click on the center vertically button which appears under the layout tab in the alignment group. Alright, this button, see, the fifth fifth one is the button for center vertically. Okay, just look at the screen very carefully and just select the center vertically button. What happens? You have seen the changes. Before, the name and class was appearing at the top, isn't it? Now they are aligned center vertically. Alright, that means exactly the name or this word appears exactly at the center of this cell, that is vertically centered. That means the space from top to the word name is same as the space from name to the bottom. Alright, all of you are clear? I hope all of you are clear.
Now I have uploaded the classwork in the Google Classroom as well as the homework. Please do and submit it in Google Classroom only. Your assignments will not be accepted in my WhatsApp number. So please do the needful. Okay. And with this, finally, I'll end today's session by saying, dear children, enjoy your online classes. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.